Kia ora tātou, I'm Steve Manunui and I'm standing for the Taupō ward. Fostering sustainable growth by attracting tourism and business and managing infrastructure, housing, education and community services. Secondly, community representation. That's guaranteeing the diverse voice of our entire community is heard through collaborative and transparent communication. And I will be championing equity versus equality. Firstly, community connection. I'm actively out in the community supporting events and within the business sector. Secondly, my professional experience. I bring expertise in emergency management, project management, budgeting, procurement, tourism, stakeholder and iwi engagement. Thirdly, personal commitment. I bring proud Ngāti Tūwharetoa whakapapa, but I am here to represent the entire community. It is navigating our way out of the current economic decline. We can counter this by all supporting tourism, business and construction, alongside managing infrastructure, housing collaboratively within the community. In the long term, it is managing sustainability. We can counter this through effective waste management, managing growth, taking on the challenges in the environment to help protect our Great Lake and Taupō Moana.